following Jesus like Saint Francis Xavier to foster communion, participation, mission is the theme for this year's 2022 Novena and Feast. Today is the 23rd, and at 6 o'clock we open the church for everyone to participate in the Madi. From tomorrow, the church is completely open for everyone to come for the masses as well as for veneration and seeing the Basilica. The masses during the Novena days are as follows: 6 o'clock, 7:15, 8:15 and the 9:30 masses are for the deaneries, 10:30 mass. Then in the afternoon, the 3:45 mass is for the centers, 5, and the 6 o'clock mass will be in English. The feast day masses are as follows. First mass will begin at 4 o'clock in the morning, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The 10:30 mass is the solemn high mass, at which we will have the Apostolic Nuncio presiding over the Eucharist, Leopoldo Archbishop Girelli. And so also will be Archbishop Philip Neri, Cardinal Ferrand, and Bishop Alvin Barreto, along with many other concelebrant priests. In the afternoon, the masses will be at 12:30, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 o'clock mass will be in English. During the week, on the 26th and 27th, which is a Saturday and Sunday, and on the 2nd of December, masses will begin at 5 o'clock. On the 25th and on the 1st, there will be no masses at 10:30. On the 25th is the mass at the cathedral at 10 o'clock, and so we will not have mass in the Pendor. On the 1st is the interreligious dialogue, which will take place at 10:30. There are two other things that we need to know are spiritual preparations for the Novena and Feast. First is confessions. They will begin at 6 and end at 11 in the morning, and in the afternoon from 3 to 6. Also, there is another spiritual activity which is going to foster great strength and devotion among all who come to venerate the relics of St. Francis Xavier and who pray in the church. That is adoration, which begins at 5 o'clock in the morning and goes right up till 6 o'clock in the evening. However, because of participation, this year there will be various parish intercessory groups that will do a 2-hour adoration and intercession. It will begin at 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 2, 2 to 4, and 4 to 6. The last one will be more in English. On the 30th, which is the day of the priests and seminarians, and on the 2nd, which will be the day also dedicated for the religious in the diocese, there will be no afternoon confessions or the adoration. So also will there be no confessions and adoration and intercession on the 3rd. My dear sisters and brothers, we are all welcome to participate in these Eucharistic celebrations. On the Sunday, 27th, which is the first Sunday in Advent, there will be masses at 11:30 in Tamil, 12:30 in Malayalam, and 2:30 in Hindi. On the 2nd, the 11:30 Mass will be in Portuguese, and on that same day at 12:30 will be the Pilgrim Mass for all the pilgrims who come from the borders of Maharashtra and Karnataka. So let us make a great effort like Saint Francis Xavier, first and foremost through grace to surrender ourselves to Jesus and allow Him to take full possession of us so that we can live as He lived, following in His footsteps.